Janardhan, where student, how are you? I hope you all are very happy and safe at home. Till last period, we have seen about the grammar, like a sentence and the nouns. Now, today, I am going to teach you about the notice writing. This is the second writing skill for topic of the writing skill. First, already we have seen that is the letter writing, and the second one it is the notice writing. See here, very first, why we are writing the notice. Notice writing is very formal way to convey the message about the special function, about the competition, about the celebration of a particular institution. So here, see the format of the notice writing. Very first, into the format it comes the name of the organization, institution, office, whatever. Means exactly which school, which college or which office, which company is issuing the notice, that name of the institution must be mentioned. The second point is notice. Exactly next line we have to write the notice word the way I have written. All the alphabet should be capital. Then the third important point is the heading. Exactly the next line down to the notice word you must have to mention the heading. Heading may be the whatever the competition is there, right? Mention the name of the competition, mention the name of the celebration, whichever the notice, whichever topic is mentioned into the question, that you must have to write into the heading form. The next point is the date of the issue notice, means on which day you're going to write the notice or you're going to issue the notice. Notice that date must be mentioned into the notice. Date you always must write in this two way. See here I have mentioned either you can follow this one way or this, means 27th May 2020 or May 27 2020. Don't write like this way. Mostly in the notebook, when the new topic you are writing, at that time in notebook you are mentioning, doesn't matter, but whenever you are writing the writing skill like letter, message, notice, always write the date in this way only. One more thing, when actual notice you are writing, don't write date word. Instead of that, directly this date is write down here. This word is not required. Next topic is content of the notice, that means the body of the notice. In this you have to mention where the competition is going to be held, why the competition is going to be held, or when the competition, means the time of the competition you must have to mention here into the content or into the body. This content should be very short and sweet. It should be very brief. Don't make it very lengthy. Then the next topic will come signature. Signature of the person who is issuing the notice. Exactly down to the signature, name will come and name of the person, full name will come. Then the designation of the person, that means you may have gone through that you are the head girl of the school, you are the head prefect of the school. As a prefect of the school, issue the notice regarding the competition. If it whatever is mentioned into the topic, write that designation. So this is the actual format. Our notice writing is covered over here, but the last and important topic is that this drawing of the box, it is also the part of the format. After completion of the notice, you must have to draw the box. It carries the half mark, so don't at all forget. One more thing regarding with the notice, you have to keep in your mind about the word limitation. For the notice, there is word limitation, that is 50 words. Means your notice should be within a 50 words, not exactly 50 words. See, once again I am clearing, notice should be within a 50 words, not exactly 50 words. Don't increase the words or don't write the notice more than 50 words. This is important. So here notice means in this way, very formal way, we can talk about the particular program or celebration and convey the message to the public in the by writing the notice. Once again I am repeating the format. Very first, name of the organization, name of the school, name of the office. If it is mentioned into the topic, write down that. Otherwise you can write your way or your imaginary name, doesn't matter. Second, it is notice in a very special way you have to write. If you will write in this way, then only you will get the marks. Then the third point, it is heading. Heading also should be related with the topic. Then date of the notice, that means when you are writing the notice. Don't at all get confused. When you are going to write the notice means exactly the way I have written today's date, like 27th May 2020. Then the body of the notice, then the signature, name of the person who is issuing the notice, and then the designation of the person, and last but not least, that is the box. Don't at all forget the box. I hope you all understood the format of the notice. Yet if any doubt you are having, you can call me or you can give me a WhatsApp message. I will give you a proper response. Again, in your grammar book, the notice topic, it is given on the page number 165. Their format also mentioned, and the example, actual example also mentioned. Go through that, and then if any doubt you can ask me. I will give next page I will give you the assignment also. Take that assignment, try to write yourself. Don't at all try to copy or take the guidance of anybody. It's very easy task. Just go through it and enjoy it. Stay happy, stay home. Thank you. Have a nice day.